It is Monday, July 15th, 3:44 p.m. Wanted to go ahead and go over the day and show the levels for the week. Starting with the MYM, we had moved up level-wise, and obviously the day was an up day. Didn't reach any S1 or S2 or buy one buy two, so nothing triggered in here. M and Q did not reach anything either. It didn't really get close. It was just moved up then moved down. This down. This from last week, and it did well for us, or for me. MES, nothing set up. Just this is last week. This is the start of the week over here. M2K did give us a sell right over here. Not sure how aggressive you are. If you had picked it up, it was it was 219. The level is at 219.8, and we hit 220. So this would have been filled. I did not get filled. I had a busy day today. I did not pay attention. This was around at 2 o'clock. I didn't put the order in. I took some Forex trades. I can find it easier to trade Forex on the road while I'm driving and doing my iPhone. Not as easy to do the micros. So I didn't take this one. The 10Y and nothing. 10-year yield. The ZN, the same thing, nothing. Let me fix this quickly. Again, sell 2 over here. Sell 1. Profit target based on support and resistance. Buy 2. Add another one in here if it reaches it, with a stop loss somewhere in here. Oh, I did want to mention something about the M2K. Remember when I stated that last week we had a sell in here. It was one level, was S1, then S2, and the stop loss I said we'll just take it over here, worst case scenario over here, take a loss, been flat for the week or just a slight gain. If you had not taken that loss and just said eventually we'll come back, we'll gap down, then this could have happened, and a small loss in here, well, relatively small loss in here and here, would have been 3 times as much in here. So you're better off just taking the loss in here, pick it up back in here again for again try to recover from this trade over here. So stop loss always have to be in place. They have to be physically and mentally put in. I do both. The oil did not set up. Those lines don't show up on my iPhone, so I have to. My indicator does not show up on my iPhone, so I have to add lines, and those lines show up on my iPhone, and I can take it. And a lot of times I can't do my laptop when I'm driving. You can, but it's not a good idea. Okay, so the euro. I thought I'd taken care of all of this. Nothing set up on the euro. Last week we had a short that, I got out of it, but it could have been rather break even or a small loss in here. On the same thing, we had tried to sell in here. I did some. This was another sell in here toward the end of the week. I didn't take. If you've taken it, you would have been here flat, would have been out, or maybe possibly wait on it some more. Then the Australian dollar did not do anything. Could have sworn I've taken care of those lines, but maybe I didn't save. Buy and sell. And those levels stay in until Friday, obviously. New Zealand got close to a buy. We didn't really get close to a buy, but it's trying. Maybe overnight we'll see a long. In a situation like this, especially with New Zealand or Australia, I'll go ahead and put the order in, and a lot of times it fills overnight because that's when the market is open and moving. So this will be a limit In here I'll mark it at 60.57. Count for the spread. The Swiss is trying to do something, not doing much of anything. I did take a short in here at the Euro New Zealand. I'm holding it. 2 positions, add one more, so let's say 20,000 in here, add 10,000 in here. Target would be, first target is going to be really conservative, going to be really tight in here based on support resistance, and the rest of it will be out in here, and the stop loss would have been moved to break even. So I see a lot of those, but I found out this is the best way to proceed with my type of trading. Nothing set up on the Canadian. The agricultural, the products are going crazy. I don't know what's going on. I think I know why I'm not really trading those. I've been watching them for a long time. I think years ago I had been in a position with either corn or wheat, I can't remember, and it was a mini position which is really small, but it took a limit up or limit down, I can't remember again, and I took some big losses based on that account, even though it was just a one lot. So I tend to stay away from them, because when they move, when fundamental news breaks on those things, there's nothing is stopping it. So I just put them in just to look at them. There's a buy here at the wheat that I'm not taking. You can, if so, I can't really figure out what the target is going to be, so I'm possibly in here, or better yet, back into the weekly close. Soy also went crazy, close to getting a buy in here. Can't find any levels to trade off, so I'll take some profit in here or in here. Nothing here. Nothing. Again, I just wanted to show the levels as well. It can be put on screen for the end of the week review. Nothing. This again being an Australian currency, I'll go ahead and put a limit in here on 106.35, 36. Leave it for overnight movement. I am short. Picked it up, I think, in here somewhere. But I'm short this product, this instrument. This is way too tight to take a profit in here. I would probably take some off the table in here, and the rest all out in here. And if we move up here, I'll add 10 more thousand. This I missed. I didn't see it. I don't know. This was 11 o'clock. I was Monday work schedule, so I just completely missed it. But this would have been a good long in here, and this obviously a target in here for a little bit, and the rest is out in here. Nothing here. Nothing. Did I miss something here? Yeah, no, nothing. Nada. This is getting close. Probably stick a limit, sell overnight, see what happened to it. Let me mark this so I can get back to it. Then euro, yen, nothing. This one, I didn't get close. Plus I would have missed it anyway. This is 11 o'clock. Some news, I think, when Powell was speaking. So I would have missed it anyway. I wasn't watching the market at that time. I didn't think it would move this much on the pound. And this being in New Zealand, I'll stick a limit sell in here and watch it throughout the week. That's it for the week. I do trade a couple of stocks, but those are nothing to do with the levels. But for some reason, Palantir seemed to respect the levels and work good off those levels if you day trade Palantir, but I don't. I just have a long position. Average is down, I think way down at the 16 or something like that. Just I'm holding that. Okay, that's it for the levels and today's review. And if I close out any trade or open new ones, I will do my best to post another video.